Entelechy-10.0KWh Powerwall battery. MSDS-UN certified wooden package, sturdy and safe. Has unique appearance design. Available in vertical and wall-mounted styles. Smart BMS board safe and more compatible. Can adapt to different solar inverters. Use the color LED touchscreen. The system defaults to English, but other languages can be customized as needed. Use brand new grade A lithium iron phosphate battery, more than 6,000 cycles. Built-in Wi-Fi, Bluetooth function. Battery status can be viewed by the mobile application. Max 15 batteries in parallel. Human-machine collaboration, embedded quality control, and real-time interception of defective products. Entelechy, power your life with green energy.